today's era is having many web-based services like e-business, entertainment, virtual assistants and many more. There is a drastic increase in the world of web service, where everything is now getting associated with the web. It is a very user-friendly approach to avail everything to the doorstep. There are a vast number of ways in which information is shared or accessed. Basically most of the information about N.Y.S.C matters are contained in books or manuals, but due to the fact that people nowadays use electronic devices much more than reading books to search for information, this leads to a challenge that most of the core members find it difficult to read the books. Also regimented nature of N.Y.S.C programs during camp despite the fact that there is series of lectures but still core member and violating rules and regulations of N.Y.S.C which might attract penalty. When faced by a committee will be trying to give excuses. As a result of that, as a core member serving the nation having identified the gap, try to come up with an application named Nysc Chatbot that can help core members get to know more about N.Y.S.C in an easy, interactive and entertaining way by just querying the bot. A chatbot, also called chatterbot, is a rudimentary form of artificial intelligence software that can mimic human conversation. It is a virtual assistant able to answer a number of user questions, providing the correct responses. In the last few years there has been a fast growth in the use of chatbots in various fields, such as healthcare, marketing, educational, cultural heritage, entertainment. Supporting systems like this are N.Y.S.C Chatbot and many others. Hoping that N.Y.S.C will develop the chatbot to Android applications and let it be available to core members on Play Store or integrate it to core members' dashboards for easy access, as this would encourage core members from different fields of studies serving our dear nation to look into our vast number of problems and provide best solutions to them. As N.Y.S.C is celebrating its 50th anniversary, this chatbot is dedicated to the Acting Director General of N.Y.S.C, Zonal inspectors, state coordinators, local governments inspectors, all other N.Y.S.C staffs, my fellow core members and Nigeria at large. Yours Everest Salazuyohaya State Code BA/22A/4253, a developer serving in Bauchi local government area of Bauchi State with national and international membership in artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. Happy N.Y.S.C 50th anniversary. Long live N.Y.S.C. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.